Welcome to the Printess Academy. My name is Axel, and today I will introduce you to the sticker snippets. Sticker snippets are elements the buyer can add to the page. They can consist of multiple frames like shapes, images or text frames, and the buyer can change their properties like the text content, colors, fonts and images. Printess comes with a large range of sticker snippets which you can assign to your template. Therefore we go to the Stickers tab to use the option Add Group. If you click into the search field here, all tags of the different sticker snippets available on your system will appear. So if we now select one of these tags, like these party sticker snippets, they are assigned to the template. We can now click on Show in Search, and all the sticker snippets available under that tag will appear here at the designer side. And if I click on one of these sticker snippets here, it will be placed on the document page. The same counts for the buyer side. Let's remove that one here. To switch to the buyer side, we do have now all sticker snippets available. We have assigned to the template, and if I click on one of those, it will be placed on the page. As soon as you publish, as you create new sticker snippets, Printess will automatically group all frames of the sticker to make them behave like a single frame here at the buyer side, which enables the buyer on one hand side to scale it, and rotate it, and to change the properties very easily. I can now change here the background color, for example, to change the font color to green, and of course we can change the content as well to say, for example, Happy New Year, Axel, because this video is done on the 5th of January 25. Let's scale it down a bit, because the buyer can add more than just one sticker snippet. So we can add a second one and a third one and as many as we like, and we can remove them. The fact that these stickers are grouped to a single frame becomes also visible at the Layers tab. So if I place a sticker here to go to the Layers tab, you see all the different frames which are used to set up that sticker snippet, and they are grouped to just one single frame. And as soon as you've got other frames on the base layer here, let's go for a shape, just that gray box here, to scale it up a bit and make the color a bit nicer. The sticker snippets will always be added on top of these frames. So if I place it again, to go back to the Layers tab, you do see the pink shape here, and all the grouped frames of the sticker snippet are placed on top of the base layer. You can add more than just one sticker group to your template. So if we go back to the Stickers tab to use the back button here, you see the initial group we have assigned. If I now go for Add Group, as you can imagine, I can select a different tag here to assign additional stickers. And you could even assign different sticker groups to the different pages of your document if necessary. But if you have a document with multiple pages and you would like to assign the same stickers to all of them, you can just click here on Pages. So automatically the assignment will be done for all pages of your document. Or if you have more than just one document in your template, you can use that button here to assign the same sticker snippets to all pages of all your documents of the template. We are fine with our single pager here in this case, but let's have a look how these two groups will appear at the buyer side. So let's switch again, and here you see that you have these two different groups all shown at once using the same tab here, Stickers, to be displayed at the buyer side. To make it easier for the buyer, you can separate these now in two different groups. Therefore, we will go to change the default tab here for group number 1 and to customize. Now you can define your own icon and your own text. So this was the party stickers, I guess. And we do now the same for the second group. We will customize that one as well to use a different icon. I don't know, let's say the camera, doesn't matter for now, to say text. And if we now switch back to the buyer side, we have our own tabs using our own icons and our own text information, where the buyer can now switch between these two tabs. But the easiest way to add sticker snippets to your template is using the predefined Printess groups. Using these two buttons, you can add text frames or photo frames. And in this case, it is using a predefined group of text frames to be assigned and a predefined group of photo frames. If you do so, the system will automatically in the background change the buyer view appearance from configuration product to creative photo product. And in addition, it will also add a tab for the photo upload, because we are now offering sticker snippets including the option to use your own images. So if we now switch to the buyer side, we got that photo tab available where the buyer can upload own images. And in addition to our two sticker tabs here, we find these small icons for the photo frame stickers, starting with simple shapes here to have rounded and square, heart and with text available. And we have the text tab here with predefined text stickers. And the basic ones are most important because they are the only way within Printess to enable the buyer to add text frames to a template. And it could be single line text or it could be multi-line text. But that's just the easy ones. You will also find much nicer text stickers available here. There are additional options available to influence the placement of a sticker. So let's go back here to the designer side to place a sticker. This is a default setting. You find these settings here at the snippet placement tab. And all the ones above are for layout snippets, which is a different story. They are explained in the Academy video number 8. And here at the bottom, you find the sticker snippet placement settings, where you can influence the size of a sticker snippet if it's placed. So in this case, it is set to large. If I set it to small, to also change the positioning to center left, I will remove that one. And if I place it again, it is placed small with the positioning center left. And let's switch back again, make it large to bottom right. And if I place it again, it will be placed this way. So this is all about assigning and placing a sticker snippet, but how to create your own ones. Therefore, I will open up a second editor to create a new template, and I will use the template type sticker library. Create, here we go. The template type is always shown here, and if you click on it, you can also change it later. So even if you may start it with a standalone, you can later on switch it to a sticker library if you would like to create and publish sticker snippets. I will save that template first to call it my sticker snippet, and I will change the document size a bit. Now we can create our first sticker snippet. First of all, I will rename the document to call it sticker snippet number 1, to add a shape to put it into the background, to change the color to light pink, for example, and to enable the buyer to change the color of it. I will drop a text frame to enable the buyer to change the content. And I will copy that one using Command or Control C, depending if you're using PC or Mac, and Command or Control V for pasting. And if I now go to the buyer side to see if everything works, I have the background shape selected here, where I can change the color now, and I can change the content of text frame number 1 and the content of text frame number 2, step by step, But this is not how the sticker snippet would behave later on, because as I told you earlier, if we publish it, Printess will automatically group all these frames with all their properties. And if you would like to simulate that up front, you just have to group all these frames you are using. So I will use the option Command or Control A to select all of them, to press Command or Control G for grouping. And if we now go back to the buyer side, we get all the properties of all frames displayed at once. So here I can change the text to hello, and I can change the color of the background shape. And as you can see, I have changed the text content for both frames at once to the same content. And this is because they got the same content at the designer side. So if I change it here, I have to ungroup first using Command or Control Shift G. I can now change the content of the second frame. Second, let's say. And if we now group them again to go back to the buyer side, we have two input fields for the two different text frames. So I can go for hello, Axel, for example. And this counts for any frame property. So if frames are using the same property, they can be changed at once by the buyer. Doesn't matter if it's a font style or a shape color, it always works that way. Okay, let's go back to the designer side. I will ungroup the frames again to change the text content here and the font in use, to make it a bit bigger, to change that one here as well. And to place an image frame. I already uploaded these images and the fonts up front. If you're not familiar with how to do, check out the Academy video number 3 dealing with the resources panel here on the left hand side to get the details. So our first sticker snippet is now prepared. I will duplicate that one to name it sticker snippet number 2. And I will replace the image of the dog now with a cat. And so I have to change the text here as well. And I guess I forgot the option to enable the buyer to change the content. So go for content here, go back to the dog's image to go for content there. Okay, that's it. But before we now publish and export these layouts to become sticker snippets, we have to go to the export tab, where we have to define a so-called tag first. A tag is a technical category, like a product category, like beach flags or mugs or t-shirt, or it will be more generic, like in my case, I would just call it pets. And as you can see it here, there are non-sticker snippets available on the system so far under the tag pets. And I will define a keyword, which will be dog in this case, because the keywords are design related. So they are based on the look-like, on the layout of a particular sticker snippet. And the keyword could be used with the keyword menu later on. If you are not familiar with the keyword menu, watch video number 10 of the Academy. This is explaining how the keyword menu works. Okay, now I have to do the same for the cat. She will get, of course, the same tag, pet, and the keyword cat. And now we can publish all of our stickers here, or just that particular one. So if we have to retouch one of a few, it's good enough to use the option publish this. But here initially it makes sense to use publish all. So we will get an overview in the dialog, how many stickers this will generate and which tags are used. So publish all, done. If you publish such a sticker snippet, it will only export the resources which are in use. So even that I have a lot of different fonts available here, they will be not exported with a sticker snippet because they are not in use. Only this one here will be part of the export file because it is in use here within the layout. The same counts for images and colors. So if I would have prepared a very special color here for the background, it will appear in the sticker snippet when it's placed at the buyer side, but the buyer won't be able to select any other color I may have defined here on my own. And even not the predefined here, besides the one in use, the light pink. And now I do realize that I forgot something, because I wanted to make the backgrounds in a different color. So the dog can go with a light pink, but the cat should get, I don't know, the honey background. So after I have changed it, I have to publish again, and now only this one here where I did the changes. And if we now open a new editor to set up a new template, we can assign the stickers we have created a second ago. So add group, search for pets. Here we go. And now it is showing us the 2 sticker snippets we have created. And if we now go to the buyer side, the system will again automatically switch to creative photo products because there is a photo upload involved. Okay, and here we go. Here are our 2 sticker snippets, and if I place one, I can change the color. And here on the left hand side, the content. And if I reduce the colors now here in my standalone template to select them all, using the Shift key to delete with a backspace, to go back now to the buyer side, it's way more clear. I can go with a yellow coming with a sticker snippet, and in addition only the colors available which are left in the standalone template. That's it for today. I hope you did enjoy, and I hope that it is a helpful video for you. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Bye bye.